Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming account types because Instagram links only to business or creator profiles and WhatsApp business numbers. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap Settings, then Account to switch if needed. Once done, open WhatsApp Business and confirm the phone number is active and verified. This prevents later mismatch errors. Make sure both apps are updated to the latest version because missing features often cause the link option to be hidden. Now proceed to connect from Instagram's contact options. You will now add WhatsApp as a contact method inside Instagram. Go to Profile, Edit Profile, then Contact Options and choose Add WhatsApp Number. Enter the phone number in international format so Instagram can route the verification. Once you tap Send Code, watch WhatsApp for an automatic link or receive an SMS code. Enter it on Instagram if needed. This step links the two services and enables actions like call to action buttons and contact labels, so complete verification before moving on. You finish by adding the WhatsApp call to action button to your Instagram profile under Edit Profile so visitors can message you directly. Once added, test the integration from a separate account or friend's phone to confirm messages open in WhatsApp correctly. If something goes wrong, re-verify the phone number, ensure both apps have necessary permissions, and remove and re-add the WhatsApp contact option. That usually refreshes the link. If persistent, restart both devices and repeat verification to clear cached errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.